Hi, girls. Good morning. Good morning, baby girls. Who's going nuts under here? Who's singing? Huh? Who's going nuts? Who was it? Was it you, Worf? You wonder where baby girl is? Huh? Is that you, Worf? Or was it you, Popcorn? I have a feeling it was Worf. Oh, Tiny, you're fine, you big baby. You are a big baby, Tiny. You're fine. You're fine, Tiny. Big baby. You're all a bunch of big babies. Hi, Worf. Hi, Kimmy. And yeah, you're Pepper. You guys are fine. Holy shit. Jesus. Hi, Pepper. All you want. Hi, Boobs. Popcorn. You guys are so skittish. There's nothing to be scared about. Kimmy. Kimmy. Jesus Christ, you guys are just scary cats. Hi, girls. You're fine. You're fine, you big babies. You're fine. All you want. That's all you want, you big baby. You're fine. Wow, Missy's not scared. Oh, never mind. She is scared of it. You, all of you are big babies. You're all a bunch of babies. Hi. Bunch of babies. Popcorn. Poppy. Popcorn. Poppy. Where are you? I hear you going nuts. There you are. Hi, Boobs. Hi, Boo-Boo. Hi. Hi, Boo-Boo. I'll let you out when Mom and Dad come back home. Bye, guys. Poppy. Popcorn. Poppy. Boo-Boo. What are you going crazy for, you big baby? Huh? What are you going crazy for? Huh? You don't know? You want out? Come on.
The door is open. Dad's
Well,
gonna be home soon.
well, yeah, I haven't let him out yet, so I'll just leave him in there, because I don't want you going out the door.